day in old Dallas. Don't you wish you was there? You'd have bet your last dollar on the iron gray mare, we bet on Stewball. You might win, 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 we bet on Stewball. You might win, we bet on Stewball. You might win, 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 we bet on Stewball. You might win. Oh, the horses, they were ready, and the word was give and go. Oh, the horses, they shot out like an arrow from a bow, from a bow. We bet on Stewball. You might win, 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 we bet on Stewball. You might win, we bet on Stewball. You might win, 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 we bet on Stewball. You might win. Oh, the big bell was ringing, and the horses did run. Yes, the big bell, it was singing. Yes, the horses, they did run, they did run. We bet on Stewball. You might win, 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 we bet on Stewball. You might win, bet on Stewball. You might win, 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 we bet on Stewball. You might win. All the old folks